Hi friends, welcome to Willow Run. I'm making lotion today in my outdoor kitchen, and I wanted to bring y'all along to show you just how easy this is. Place a small saucepan on your kitchen scale and weigh out 10 grams of beeswax. Then add 54 grams of sweet almond oil. If you want to change it up, you could also swap out jojoba oil here for the sweet almond oil. Don't forget to tare your scale between each measurement. Next, add 52 grams of coconut oil. The next step is to melt all of these ingredients together. Don't want to burn your oils, so make sure to stop as soon as they come together and keep that burner on low. Place the saucepan in the refrigerator using a hot pad underneath for about 15 minutes, and this will allow the oils to cool down and begin to thicken slightly. Essential oils are optional, but if using, add 20 drops here. I'm making an unscented version today, so I'm going to skip the oils. Using an immersion blender, we're going to blend the water into our oils and beeswax until it all comes together. This can take a few minutes, but just keep going. If there's puddles of water, you're not through yet, keep blending it in, keep stirring it around until all of that water is incorporated and you have a nice, creamy, smooth lotion. Last, you'll need to find something to put your lotion in. Mason jars work great, old lotion containers, or a pretty tin like this one. I found these because they make for nice gifts. The recipe makes about 1 cup, and so this tin right here holds half a cup, so I was able to get 2 tins for this recipe. And that's all there is to it. I hope you'll try out making some of this simple, all-natural homemade lotion.